Hello everyone on my YouTube channel, dear friends. My name is Asab and I have been a trader for over 5 years. I trade binary option and help subscribers earn money. And today I'll be boosting my online deposit from $20 to $5,125. But before we start, I'd like to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, because it is crucial for me. Let's get started. So I'll be assisted in this process by zigzag and MACD indicators with basic settings. The time frame is 15 seconds. I love fast trading and often trade on a 15 seconds time frame. I like to feel the quickly earned cash. Today we will talk a lot about currency pairs, looking for convention situations for us to enter a trade. Maximum concentration, friends. I practically won't have the right to make a mistake. And currency pair cut. Let's immediately look at the market movement. Meanwhile, we see that a familiar pattern is forming on the zigzag indicator, and there is a signal from MACD. I quickly enter a $20 upward trade and wait for profit. Profit is obtained, friend, that's perfect. Let's switch to another candlestick chart. We'll do this to find as many convention situations as possible to enter a position. And so, on this currency pair, we see a relatively calm movement on the chart. We see that there was a small bearish trend which turned into consolidation and a slight downward movement. I willingly put my entry deposit on our next trade, namely $38. Alright, we see the crossover of the two lines of the MACD indicator, which is an excellent signal for a down trade movement. The histogram also indicates that the movement is currently bearish. Without wasting any time, we enter a position down with our entry deposit and wait for profit. Profit received. It is so perfect, guys. If you are a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. You just must subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, where I trade every day and you can follow me all the steps, step by step, and get a crazy profit. Write to me in a personal, teach me, and I will share with you all the useful information. Places are limited. Come join us. Also, the first time you make a deposit on the best trading platform where I trade, Pocketoption, you will receive plus 50% bonuses. Guys, you just cannot miss it. The chart remains in consolidation. I don't usually linger on side charts, it is too quick. I think the shadow will be here for a long time now. Staying here is not very comfortable for me. You need to constantly adapt to market movements so as not to make mistakes. Let's move on to the next chart and just watch what will happen. So, on this chart we see relatively little dynamics. The price is currently consolidating on the chart, making it challenging to enter a trade at such a moment. Let's change the chart and find more interesting situation for entering the trade. And again, here we see a familiar pattern. The zigzag indicator shows a continuation of the downtrend and MACD shows the intersection of lines. I immediately enter a trade downward with the entry deposit and wait for profit. Profit is obtained. This code is very cool, guys. It is very nice. So I immediately again put my entry deposit on a trade. We stay on the same chart because it's very dynamic. I see that the chart favors me and I jump into an already moving trend downward with the entry deposit and wait for profit. Profit is obtained. Great. So on this chart I'll try to take as much as possible. I see that the chart continued to fall. Don't waste a second. Enter with the entry deposit downward and wait for profit. Profit obtained, friends, it is good. Okay, here the situation isn't much different from the previous one. I am not very satisfied, and just let's move on. Now, excellent, I see an interesting currency pair. We can see that the trend was bullish. We changed it to consolidation, the dynamics remain bullish, but something is holding me back from entering a trade. Indicators suggest that the trend may change very soon. I don't want to take risk here and think we can find something else interesting. Let's switch to another chart. Here the situation looks different. The trend is clearly bearish. MACD shows the intersection and zigzag shows the upward trend direction. I quickly enter a trade upward with the entry deposit and wait for profit. Profit obtained, it is fantastic, friends. We stay on the same chart and see that the bearish movement continues. I again change the entry amount to the entry deposit. I wait for entry signal immediately to catch the moment as the price is still rising. I see a signal from zigzag for the continuation of the trend and MACD also shows an upward entry. I enter upward with the entry deposit and wait for profit. Profit obtained, that's excellent, friends. Do note that the market is favorable today. More precisely, you always need to carefully choose convention candlestick situation and never rush. Quickly enter a trade only if you understand how signals from indicators works. Meanwhile, let's move to another chart to find more convention entry situation. Immediately we see excellent candlestick patterns. Obviously there is a bullish movement, indicators show a lower trend. I enter a position downward and wait for profit. Profit obtained. It is very good. We stay on the same chart because there is a sweet candlestick movement here. I don't see a reason to leave. I immediately see a familiar candlestick pattern, a head and shoulders. This pattern indicates a change in the direction of the chart downward at the moment. It is very good situation. We observe candlestick reversal and the MACD indicator signals entering a trade for a trend reversal. I trust my intuition and the indicator, so I enter upward with 500 and await profit. Profit is obtained. Incredible, friends. Today I feel that all trades will end up in a big plus. On this chart a bearish movement is happening, and honestly I want to see what's happening on my favorite currency pair, Euro franc. So, we finish here and switch charts, friends. Immediately here we see an excellent situation. Zigzag shows a growing trend and MACD also shows the intersection of the indicator lines. It is great signal to enter a trade and await profit. Profit obtained, perfect, friends. It is not at all easy to trade in 15 seconds time frame, very big risk. But that's what I like about trading. It makes you feel life very brightly. However, I don't want to stay here anymore, as consolidation is likely happening. We change the chart and move on. What do we see here? Here we observe an excellent picture. Zigzag shows a reversal to a bullish trend, but I am sure that MACD also indicates a trend. This means that I will most likely enter downward. I hope I am not wrong. So, friends, quickly enter a position downward and wait for profit. Profit obtained. Unbelievable, friends, just unbelievable. We stay on the same chart. The movements here are too appetizing. I cannot miss the opportunity to earn in such an excellent chart. You see that the candle is actively gaining upward movement, and I'm more than sure that there will be an aggressive downturn soon. And as I mentioned, we enter a position downward very quickly and firmly. We wait for profit. Great. Here situation looks much more interesting. The chart movement is more dynamic. I immediately see a familiar candlestick pattern, a head and shoulders. This pattern indicates a change in the direction of the chart downward at the moment. We also see how the MACD chart shows the intersection of two lines, which is also a signal to enter a position downward. And the zigzag indicator also tells us that we can enter a trade downward. So I do just that, entering with my deposit downward and waiting for profit. Profit is obtained. Excellent. Friends, this is some kind of madness. We have already earned a whole fortune together, and I like it. Most likely there will be reversal and consolidation on this chart. It is dangerous to stay here now. The market on this currency pair is quite overheated. This chart has done its job. Let's find something interesting in another currency pair. And we move to another currency pair. Friends, here we see the same picture as on the previous chart. The trend is downward, zigzag shows a downward movement, MACD at the moment also indicates a bearish trend, and we immediately enter position downward and wait for profit. It is just incredible, friends. We have just only boosted the deposit from $20 to $5,000. Just hear this, $5,125. It is simply unimaginable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my Telegram channel, as it will help push this video to the top. And of course, I'm waiting for all of you in my private channel to rake in money with the show. My main mission is to ensure that everyone can earn from trading with minimal experience, but most importantly, the desired profit to all your friends. And until our next meeting.